Second Skin Audio here. Let's talk about how to replace your hood insulation using Spectrum Liquid Deadener and the Megablock Heat Shield. Your factory underhood insulation is good for standard heat, but can fall short if you've upgraded your engine. It also just wears out over time and doesn't do much for noise. Upgrading the hood liner is actually a pretty easy DIY project and is worth doing if you want to protect that new paint job or just reduce the noise from the engine compartment. If you like the video, give us a thumbs up. All of these materials can be found at the links below or at secondSkinAudio.com. To upgrade your hood insulation, you'll need the Second Skin Megablock Reinforced Heat Shield and the Second Skin Spectrum Spray or Brush on Sound Deadener. You'll also need a spray gun and bottles, Plastiwrap to protect non-painted surfaces, wire tape to cut straight, clean lines in the Spectrum, and the Fury utility knife. The first step is to remove the factory hood liner. Next, wipe down the metal with denatured alcohol. Apply Plastiwrap everywhere you want to protect from the Spectrum spray. Next, fill the spray bottles with the Spectrum Sound Deadener. If you have multiple bottles, you'll save time on refills. Filling with solo cups is easy, but can be messy. Get a 1-inch big mouth funnel for super easy fill-ups. Now you can apply the Spectrum. You'll want to apply 2 or 3 layers. Each layer should be about 1 millimeter thick. Make sure to clean your spray gun with running water between each coat.
See how it comes out clean now? That's how you clean it. Nice and clean. Can't leave that gook in there.
You have about 30 minutes to clean up any Spectrum before it dries. It'll take 30 to 60 minutes for Spectrum to dry, depending on the temperature, humidity, and thickness of your coats. After you finish the last coat of Spectrum, you can remove all Plastiwrap and wire tape. Use the factory hood liner to trace the hood pattern on your Megablock, or just install the entire sheet. Cut the Megablock pattern with the Fury knife. Be careful when you peel back the wax paper from the Megablock. It's very sticky. Apply it to the hood on your first try. Press firmly to the entire foil heat shield to ensure it bonds.
The edges are the most important part to push.
Tape any seams and around the edges with foil insulation tape.
So,
Give it a thumbs up. High five.
Second Skin for the win.
Under your hood has never looked better. The paint job is protected. It's a bit quieter in your car. If you've got the itch and need more soundproofing, head on over to secondSkinAudio.com and we've got everything to completely soundproof your vehicle. Hopefully, the video was helpful. Remember to give us that thumbs up. And if you're not a subscriber, consider hitting that subscribe button. And then all the tools used in this video are linked below. Thanks for watching.